To launch a new blank VI, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and then press N. A new VI with blank front panel and block diagram launches. If you want to open an existing pre-made LabVIEW VI, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and then press O. A dialog box appears where you can select the VI you want to open. To close and open VI, the keyboard shortcut for that purpose is Ctrl and then press W. The window closes. The keyboard shortcut for saving a VI is Ctrl-S. If the VI had not been saved previously, a dialog box appears where you can select the name and press OK to save the window. If the VI was already previously given a name and saved, then the new changes are saved to the disk. To save all open VIs, whether they have not been previously saved or if they had been saved previously but have some new changes that needs to be committed to the disk, the keyboard shortcut for doing that is pressing Ctrl, Shift and then S. New VIs are saved and previous VIs are also saved. To print a VI, the shortcut for that is Ctrl-P. Ctrl-P launches the print dialog, and if you have PDF printer installed, you can choose it, print, save it, and then you can double click it to launch it. To completely close and quit from LabVIEW, the keyboard shortcut for that is Ctrl-Q. LabVIEW quits. So if you have made some changes to your code accidentally, that you don't want, you can reverse it by pressing Ctrl and then Z. Ctrl-Z undoes the changes you have made. if you have undone some changes and you want to redo them, the keyboard shortcut for redoing changes is Ctrl, Shift and Z. To cut an object and place it on the system's memory, the keyboard shortcut for that is Ctrl-X. Ctrl-X cuts the object and saves it to the memory. To copy an object and place it on system memory, press Ctrl-C. If you have copied or cut an object, you can place it in another location by using Ctrl-V keyboard shortcut. To display context help, the keyboard shortcut for doing that is Ctrl-H. It's a toggle. If the context help is already visible, you can press Ctrl-H to make it disappear. By default, the context help displays help for any object that is under your cursor, and as you move your cursor, the context help updates. To lock an object, to lock the context help to a particular object, press Ctrl, Shift and L. This locks the context help and it will not update as you move your mouse over different objects. The keyboard shortcut for launching LabVIEW help is Ctrl ? But for question mark you would have to press Shift as well. So press Ctrl, Shift and then the question mark to launch LabVIEW help.